Did you know that you can increase your blood level just by eating liver? Continue watching this video to learn how to cook this beautiful and easy beef liver recipe. Come with me. The good thing about this recipe is that you don't need a lot of ingredients. All you need is onions, your seasoning, oil. This one is extra virgin, but if you have any other type of cooking oil, you can use. And of course, the liver. And that is all you need to start with your recipe. We are going to put this frozen liver in water for it to thaw. Warm water, guys. Warm water. You all know that I love to slice my meat when it's still frozen. So while it is frozen, we're going to be cutting the liver. There is not a specific way to cut your liver. I always cut it like in cubes. That's how I like to do it. But you can slice it as you want. See, when I love when the meat is still frozen. You know why, right? They're very smooth. This recipe helped me increase my blood level when I was pregnant. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do and click your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You can buy your liver at any Hispanic store. And this is how you clean your liver. How do we know when the liver is clean? When you will see less blood clot. We will use lemon right now to wash the liver to reduce the smell. Squeeze as much water as you can while putting your liver in your pot. You can use half of your onion if you're an onion lover, but since we don't like onions, I had to count. Season to taste. You all know that I don't like putting salt, but if you like salt, you can add salt to your seasoning. It's been 6 minutes now. And you can see all the water is out. We are going to let it cook again for 3 more minutes. To know when it's ready, we have to wait and see the oil above. So this is what it looks like. You can see here, this is where the water was. So if you don't want yours to be too watery, you just leave it again to cook slowly and it's going to reduce. The water will be reducing. So this is where the water was and it has gone all the way here. So now it's perfect for me to eat. That is how I want it. You can eat this with rice, plantains, or anything of your choice, even with bread. It's time for testing. So this is how I always eat it. I put the plantains inside to get married to the sauce. Get my piece. My mouth is making ting. For you. About less than. This is good. It's really good. You already know what to do to fight your low blood level. Beef liver. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.